going to answer the question, how to invest for beginners. I'm a very experienced investor myself, so I will share some information for beginners. So, individuals who are new to investing with little or no significant money are often bombarded with bad ideas. One such bad idea is buying index funds. Instead of purchasing index funds when you have limited capital and receiving other clichéd advice that won't yield tangible results, you should consider investing your money in yourself by seeking a mentor. You need a mentor to teach you the ropes of investing. For example, if you invest a few $1,000s in an index fund or mutual fund, nothing significant will happen anytime soon. It might take 7 to 12 years for it to double in value. However, you need money today, not in 10 years. Wouldn't it be better to learn how to structure a deal where you gain ownership and cash? Your best option in a situation like this is to learn how to engage in active investment where you are involved in putting together companies and real estate deals. You need to find an experienced mentor like myself, Benjamin Z. Miller, who can teach you how to invest and make money in business if you don't have any significant capital. Unfortunately, most people won't do this. They will follow some bad ideas about putting their money in the stock market. Most people don't want to think, they want to be popular and do what others are doing. If you choose that path, you risk being stuck in the stock market, hoping you haven't invested heavily in the next Enron-like stock. One common mistake that many new investors make is thinking that it takes money to make money. With proper training, you can learn how to structure a deal where you don't need any of your own money to purchase the asset or investment. But if you act like a typical sheep investor who simply devours all the propaganda about buying index funds, you limit your potential to rise above average. If you look around at the people to your left and right thinking, yes, I am just an average person and I'm content with that, then go ahead and buy an index fund, resigning yourself to being no better than average. To be a successful investor, you need to learn a lot of things, not just one. It's not easy and takes years of hard work. However, the most efficient way to shorten your learning curve is to have a mentor guide and train you. Too often I encounter investors who offer the weak excuse, that sounds good, but I won't invest. It's not my area of expertise. I only invest in what I know. They mindlessly parrot Warren Buffett. While this approach may work for them, the lazy attitude of refusing to learn anything new or try something different should be questioned and reconsidered. Many times over the years when I started in businesses, I didn't know everything on day one, but I knew how to build teams, and this is what's responsible for my tremendous success. If you want to learn more about investing, you should consider joining the Benjamin Z. Miller Investor Networking Group and enrolling in my mentoring program. The mission of Benjamin Z. Miller's Investor Networking Group is to provide a place for new and experienced investors to network. Typical topics discussed at our meetings might include, but they're not limited to, the following. We talk about apartment complex investing. We talk about bond investing, emerging market versus developed market, corporate versus government. We talk about currency trading, mortgage note investing, net lease investing, rental properties, retirement account investing, U.S. self-directed IRA, and UK ISA. We talk about short sales. We talk about stock investing. When you become my mentee, you'll receive introductions to other successful investors from around the world who can assist you and possibly help you find capital or partners for deals while connecting with valuable contacts. Birds of a feather flock together. As a Benjamin Z. Miller mentee, you'll be surrounded by genuine investors, not the index investor sheep who simply throw up their hands and say, it's too much work to learn. I just want to buy an index fund and not think. Instead of trying to clutch onto a few $1,000s in the stock market, it might make sense to find a mentor and invest in yourself. If you're tired of being a passive sheep investor who merely puts money into the stock market and hopes for the best, email me and I can get you started with my mentee program. Just email ben@benjaminzmiller.com and I will help get you started.